Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Daisy at ngayong araw ay isi-share ko sa inyo ang step-by-step process kung paano palitan ang SSS membership type from employed to voluntary using only our mobile phones. So sa video na ito, magge-generate tayo ng PRN at babayaran natin ito para ma-convert ang ating SSS membership type from employed to voluntary. Tara, simulan na natin! Una, i-download natin ang My SSS app. Punta lang tayo sa App Store o Play Store ng ating mga device para i-download ang app. Once downloaded, let's log in using our My SSS user ID and password. Ito ang dashboard ng application. Punta lang tayo sa PRN, then tap Contributions, and select Create. Next, tap the membership type drop-down and choose Voluntary. For the applicable period, ito yung month na babayaran natin. For example, kung babayaran natin ang contribution for February, iset natin ang from 2/02/2026 and 2/02/2026. Under the contributions section, makikita natin ang iba't ibang amount na pwede nating piliin. Ito ang magiging basis ng monthly SSS contributions natin. Piliin lamang ang amount na nais nyong hulugan. Makikita rin natin dito ang pension booster. Ito ay optional na additional savings para sa retirement. Pwede kayong maghulog dito kung gusto nyo pero hindi ito required. I'll disregard the pension booster for now and tap on Generate PRN. Now that we have generated a PRN, let's proceed to the payment. These are the payment methods available: Maya, GCash, as well as credit and debit cards. Just choose the payment option that is most convenient for you. Kapag Maya or GCash ang ginamit mo, you will have an option to log into your wallet from the app or simply scan the QR code. Kapag naman credit or debit card, you just need to enter your card details to process your payment. Once the contribution is successfully paid and posted in the SSS, your membership type will be automatically updated to voluntary in the system. If your membership status isn't available on the app, you can try logging in the SSS website to view your membership type. On the website, just click Member Information, then Member Details, scroll down and look for Membership Type. Since my payment is now reflecting, it is now tagged as voluntary paying. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you learn how to change your SSS membership type from employed to voluntary using your mobile phones. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!